Assalamaoalaikum wa Rahmatullahi. This is Farina, your sister in Islam. When we go to our parties and we meet together, have fun, food and all that, we miss very important of something that should be part of our life, and that is Allah SWT. Zikrullah, talking about Allah, bringing Allah back to our conversation. So guys, bring Allah back to your conversation. Bring Allah back to your discussions, because Prophet Muhammad SAW clearly told us that a gathering or a company that actually does not remind you Allah SWT is not a good company. A company that makes you forget Allah SWT is not a good company for you. And the company of believers who reminds you or bring you closer to Allah SWT, it is the right company. So spend all you want on food and fashion and everything, but discuss Allah. Bring Allah's love closer to your heart and in your life. You know why? Because Allah does not need us. It's the other way around. We need Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our lives. We need Allah's mercy. We need Allah's support. We need Allah's rahmah. We need Allah's mercy on us, blessing on us. And if we do not even raise Allah's name in our gatherings when we are happy, we only remember Allah when we are stuck. We only remember Allah when we want to do Ayatul Kursi and we want to blow on each other. No, Allah is way more than that. Allah's presence is in your heart, inside your body, in your life. He is your very creator. And if you don't even bring His name when you are actually discussing so many thousands, millions of other useless things, then you're actually wasting your time, right? We talk about fashion, we talk about clothing, we talk about jewelry. Those mahafil, those parties are useless when everybody is trying to show off their best outfit, their best jewelry, then their best food, and taking all the pictures of their table, taking all the pictures of their buffet, and not remembering Allah. And if someone raises a topic about Islam or about Deen, somebody else wakes up and say, you know what, don't bring religion and everything. Oh my God, you're too religious. You're so annoying. All you talk about is sad stuff, religious stuff. It's not about being religious, guys. My sisters, my brothers, it's not about being religious. It's about being the true believer, the true believing slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember, what did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala call us when He created Adam alayhi salam, the first prophet, the first human being? He said He's sending a Khalifa, right? His Naib, right? He called us that. That's the level we have in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are Allah's Naib, His assistant on this earth. And we don't remember Him? He's the one who makes us breathe, right? Every day, every time, millions of seconds and minutes, you breathe in and out without asking Him for that. You get food at your table, enough, more than enough actually, that you actually get bored with the quantity and the amount, right? You get food without asking. You get water without asking. You feel so privileged, right? But you don't feel blessed enough to talk about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You only remember Allah when He shakes you with tests. Oh my God. Okay. You don't ever say when you're happy, you go lucky, you enjoy and celebrate with music, right? You don't enjoy and celebrate with Allah's zikr. Think about it. Bring Allah back to your conversations. Bring Allah back to your life and see what Allah does, because Allah SWT has promised us, if they will call me, I will come running to them. If they approach me, if they reach out to me, I'll come running to them. Did you extend your hand? Those 5 prayers are your 911 emergency call, right? Memorize that number. And then in between, remember Allah when you're happy. Remember Allah when you feel blessed. Remember Allah when you want to say thank you. You know, people even open your door for you, or a garage door, or a shopping mall door or something. You say thank you maybe twice. How many times do you say thank you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for everything that you do for me? Even when I'm ignorant and I'm arrogant and I'm actually going against so many of your commands. And I'm going completely against the sunnah of your beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do we do that? No. Bring Allah back to your life. Bring Allah back to your conversations. And remember Allah if you want to be remembered by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's my message for all of us, and it's a reminder for me first, and then to all of you who are listening, please spread the message and do mention me on the day of Qiyamah, inshallah, when Allah SWT asks if somebody gave you a reminder for me, inshallah. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.